mheshimiwa wetu Madam Director Kezi Beauty College. Asante sana.
Hello everyone. Tuketi. All protocols observed, ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to take you on a journey that began on a humble note, blossoming into a beacon of excellence in the beauty industry. On the 16th of June 2023, Kezi College of Beauty opened its doors to a dream, one that nurtured with passion, perseverance, and unwavering commitment to empower aspiring beauty professionals. In those early days, we offered courses in beauty, hair, and beauty therapy. Our story began not in a grand institution, but in a modest salon under the name Kez Beauty Parlor. We had just one student, a determined young woman who insisted on learning from us despite our initial perseverance. I would request her to stand, our first student. Clap for her. We were unsure if we were ready to embark on the journey of education, but her dedication was unwavering. She kept returning, and her persistence to become a catalyst for what we now proudly call Kez College of Beauty. After absorbing her into the salon environment, another student followed. Who was the second? Wanjiko, clap for her. Eager to learn and grow, we welcomed her with open arms, and soon enough, within a month, our small endeavor had attracted 7 eager learners. It was then that we realized our salon, though filled with passion, was not the ideal environment for training. Our clients needed to feel confident in their services they were receiving, and we wanted to provide a more structured learning space for our students. This realization led us to take up a leap of life. We moved into a small 12 by 12 room, humble but dedicated entirely to our growing students' body. In just 3 months, our enrollment had surged to over 30 students, compelling us to expand once more. We found a larger space within the same premises, once capable of accommodating at least 100 students per shift. That space remains the heart of our operations till date. But as we grew, we recognized a need to extend our reach. Within a year, it became clear that our current location primarily served students along Thika Road. We knew we had to branch out to make our education accessible to more aspiring beauty professionals. This led to the opening of our West branch, a facility capable of accommodating 200 students per shift, a testament to our commitment in the inclusivity and growth. Our journey of growth wasn't limited to just our students' body. Initially, our training was conducted locally, with the first students learning directly from the seasoned experts in our salons. But as we expanded, so did our need for skilled educators. When we moved to the 12 by 12 room, we only had 1 teacher. Within 6 months, that number grew to 3, and today we are proudly having 10 teachers, 10 dedicated teachers, shaping the future of beauty professionals at Kez College of Beauty. From a single student and a humble salon, we have grown into an institution that inspires and nurtures talent. We have trained more than 200 students who are attending today on the 31st day of August 2024 with all of you, shaping the future of beauty, one student at a time across the nation. Muriega, muko salama? Bwana Yesu asifiwe. I'm so honored today to host all of you. First and foremost, I don't know where to start thanking all of you for coming. I see I have so many dignitaries. I know each and every one of us is going to have a chance at least to tell us something. But the main day, the main importance of the day is the graduation ceremony. Sindio? Munagojea certificates? Munagojea to celebrate? So today is your day. So before we do anything else, before we say anything else, tuko na mheshimiwa wetu hapa. One thing I want to say to mheshimiwa, you are one of a kind. Hapa Roysambu ama wale waheshimiwa tumeona ama tumewasikia. We have seen so many waheshimiwas, but your urge for education tumekuwa tukiona sana. Kama sasa hii Mahiga Primary nasikia inakaa shule za Ulaya. Hiyo mambo yote tunajua. Mahiga Primary imekuwa shule za Ulaya na kazi mingi umefanya tunaijua. Kamai Road tunaona vile imenyoroka, and now we are having this college in Hawa West. What I would request from you, mheshimiwa, these young men and ladies and gentlemen, we are having so many people. Hawa vijana wadogo, mtu anamaliza shule anakosa mahali ya kwenda kwa sababu labda mzazi hakuwa na pesa mzuri ya kumpeleka mbele, si ndio? Alafu ukifika mahali unapata umekwama. Hata mwenye amesoma sana anapata hiyo certificate yake before, tuseme for example umefanya accounts, before upate hiyo kazi ya account unakaa sana. So mimi nimekuwa nikiambia vijana kazi ni yenye iko kwa mkono. Wemo kwa kazi ni yenye iko kwa mkono. Before you wait for that certificate to give you a job, try something yenye itafanya huwezi lala njaa. Si ndio? Ile kitu unajua, kama sasa tutaita reverend wetu, hiyo wakati tulikupeleka pedicure, sasa tutakupeleka ingine inaitwa massage. Sasa lakini tutakupea mikana tukwambie hau ni hotaito isheja hiyo. Au ni horogo kupisheja na hiyo. Ukakora ndio yonaki. Na kwa watu kama kuhemekana. So thank you very much for everybody who attended this. I want now to welcome our chief guest, Madam Jacqueline. I want to thank you so much for coming. Madam Jacqueline ni mama yangu. Naona ule mentor mwenye nakukalianga. Sijui kama wiki ishaisha moja kama hajanipigia simu, zingine ni za kelele, zingine ni za kuulizwa unafanya nini so far hii wiki imekuwa, what have you been up to? She pushes me to my goals. Na hata nyinyi students wangu nataka uende upate mentor mahali. Get a mentor. A mentor ni mtu wako juu yako na labda unamwangalianga unaona kama unaweza penda kukua kama yeye ama zaidi yake, and you start learning from them. Unaanza kusoma na wao. So Madam Jackie, thank you very much. I don't take it for granted. Mkijua ile kigada amefunga ya Kavagara. Mnajua Kavagara? Aki ako hapa, and it is a very very big company just for me. CEO Maureen Chomba, that's her daughter, and she's the CEO of Kavagara. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you. Reverend Mwangi Zakayo, you are my reverend. Sasa wewe umenisukuma kwa baraka, and I'm happy sasa umesema utakuwa makanga. Umeagree tuende na basi yangu. So thank you very much. Our reverend wakule what do you call Tingana, thank you very much. I'm so humbled to see you here. Na watumishi wetu wote wa kule priesthood, I salute you. Before nitoke kwa watumishi, I want to salute my bishop penye ako for the good job he has done ya kutupatia hata nafasi ya kukua hapa. I also want to thank Madam Eteye. This lady you see here, yeye CEO wa all colleges in Kenya, all private colleges in Kenya. Maybe you can wave before we get a chance. She's the CEO. Clap for her. Thank you so much. we are having Apostle James Stone. Asante sana na karibu sana James Stone. Tuko na jamaa hapa anaitangwa Ken wa Imaraland. Ile siku nitaweza kuhustle kama wewe. Ile siku nitaweza kukuwa dedicated kama wewe, nitafurahi sana. That man is the CEO of Imaraland Company, one of the best companies land selling in Kenya. Hata yeye atapata chance na atakuja hapa. Alafu sasa atilini tuko na Mr. Alan Jenga. Please wave to the crowd. Alan Jenga ni yeye anakuwa administrator wa NIBS College. Si wametufanya vizuri kutukujia event yetu. They also have a college and they came to support us. Sio ni mzuri? At least colleges tunashikania, si kama kampuni zingine. Thank you so much Madam Trufena. She's the counselor NIBS College. Najua mtapata chance. Mr. Miano, wave to the crowd. He's my accountant. Huyo ndiye anahakikisha kampuni haianguki, kwa sababu mimi nikipata mkanye mrefu kuliko ile niko nayo nachukua pesa ya shule. So huyo ndiye ananikalia sana. I see I have so many friends of mine. Wageshiwa Kariuki, where are you? Ameenda wapi? Oh, simama wave crowd. Sasa wacha niwaambie, hii college huyu ndiye alikuwa midwife. Mheshimiwa, huyu ndiye alikuwa midwife. Ananiuliza, sasa uko na salon na haufikirii vile utafungua watoto waanze kusoma. And she calls tomorrow na napiga hiyo siku ingine na napiga hiyo siku ingine. She was the midwife of this vision. In absentia, in Rose Wangoi, asante sana, and I really appreciate. Before I call Mheshimiwa, I also want to appreciate Karagoa Muraya, wherever he is, ametusaidia na page yake, and this is why we are live everywhere. I also wish to thank Mr. Bishop Ben Gadongo from JCM. Thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Opa, hi. Wave the crowd. She's the incoming CEO. Huyu atasoma mpaka siku moja atakuwa CEO hapa, si ndio? Last but not the least, my mother. She's here. Amka salimia watu mami. Wave to the crowd. Thank you so much. Najua niko na watu wengi sana, nitaendelea kutambua mpaka waimbaji wetu. Najua nitaendelea kuwatambua as we continue. But in the meantime, tufanye graduation, si ndio? So, ladies and gentlemen, help me to welcome our chief guests, Honorable Mwafrika Augustine Kamande. We are so honored to have you here. Asante sana. It is just a great honor. Tusimame tumkaribishe. Thank you so much, sir.
You can be seated. Thank you so much. Madam Kezia Kariuki, Madam Jacqueline Chomba, Madam Rose Chenye, Aram Jenga, Ken Wambura, Imaraland, our mother, Mrs. Kariuki,